YouTube Wagwa, man, you're tuned into Click React, and today we're going to be looking at some legendary red card moments in football history, man. Guys, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit subscribe, turn on post notifications, drop a like, and tell me which one of these ones you actually remember, man, because I'm going to guess that this goes way back to maybe even Zidane's World Cup red card, you know what I'm saying? We're just going to get right into it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.
And what it requires, no one has scored.
Lalana, Stevie G. This nigga just came on the field, 90th minute. First play.
Forward challenge. United might say the foot was on Steven Gerrard. Oh no, look at this. No sooner on
That's actually ridiculous. You just came on the field and man gave you a red card.
than off.
Hey.
Han springer av, han är förtvivlad och arg och frustrerad. Och han gapar.
Yo, what the fuck was that?
Apasionante este final de partido.
Yo, give the man the ball or he gets slapped up.
Pero el Hamburgo se defiende. Eso es amarilla para Van Bommel. De forma tonta, pero se la gana justamente. Y tendría que ser expulsado. Bueno, se la jugó. Eso está francamente muy mal y se la
I'm dead. And I said, up yours. Holy. Where's the card here? That is so funny. That is so. Who got the red? That is so funny.
Le ballon récupéré, oh là là là, grosse faute de Kylian Mbappé sur Damien Da Silva.
I mean, you did tackle him at his knee.
Rouge, carton rouge, juste avant la fin de cette prolongation.
That shit is crazy. He said hell no, he won't go.
Go up there.
Yeah. What the fuck? Yeah, but wasn't that his second? That's his third, I swear. Is this Hazard? Oh, he didn't kick. Oh, okay. You know what's funny? This whole time, I've always thought that Hazard kicked him. He kicked the ball out. Huh? That is a joke, though. That man should not be holding on to the ball. Wait, what?
The goalkeeper who was claiming his innocence.
The way they both fell to the ground. Wait, what? Is that a high foot? Let's see if it gets hot. Oh shit. Honestly, that almost looked like a legit sip.
I'll tell you what, Ian.
That did look like a legit, like, you know, header to me. Real time.
Being sent off, but I do believe it was Oxlade. What has he done there? Oxlade Chamberlain is staying on the pitch.
That's shocking. I said y'all look the same. Okay. Soft. Oh, yo, who is that? Pepe? Pepe's a waste, man. Pepe's a waste, man. I'm dead. Oh. Yo, honestly, some soccer players are good actors, bro. For what? Honestly, yo, refs piss me off. Oh shit! Like, couldn't they relax, fam? Oh, it's men's league? Oh, the put his head through the thing. Yeah, stupid. That is so dumb that he got a red card for that. Oh shit.
This really has been a war of attrition. There's a bit of an incident going on, and Mano's just...
Oh wait, what?
They're trying to intervene, but Mano... Oh, look at this! They snatched the referee's coming off him after
I've never seen that before.
and he could be off.
I've never seen that before. Man grabbed the ref's card. Yeah, of course that's Pepe. Oh, he headbutted him. Wow. So, the ref is right there, fam. You can't do that. What happened? What did he? How did he get a red card for that? Ooh. For what? That red card, that hard bullshit off of like, oh, you taking off your shirt to celebrate is so dumb. Oh, whoa. And so it's coloring time. What is he getting a red card for? The Neville brothers are always shit. And get this, he has the audacity, they have the audacity to speak on Cristiano Ronaldo. But guys, let me know which one of those moments was the funniest to you guys. Appreciate you for watching, man. I'll see you later.